Hi all, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is trigonometry. Trigonometry is used to find the height, distance and slopes, etc. That is, if you want to find the height of a mountain, then we can use the trigonometry. And in the same way, if you want to find out the depth of the sea, then we can use the trigonometry. That is, before discussing the trigonometry, here see here trigonometry, that is TRI. Tri means what here? 3. And gono. Gonio means what here? Gonia. It comes under gonia. That is sides and angles. And metry. Metry means what here? Measure of. That is trigonometry means here. It is the study of relationship between the sides and angles of a triangle. Triangle means it is having what? 3 sides and 3 angles. And triangle property is what here? Sum of the 3 angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Here in trigonometry, first one is what here? First topic is trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios. We are having first one is trigonometric ratios. To find out the ratios here, first I am taking here right angle triangle. A and this is B and this is C. And here right angle triangle at B. This is the right angle triangle at B. If it is a right angle triangle at B, then what about angle C and angle A? These are what? If this is a right angle, then these two are what? Acute angles. Because here sum of the 3 sides of a triangle is what? 180 degrees. That's why these two are acute angles, and right angle means this is 90 here. Now here opposite to this right angle, these are the sides. Then opposite to right angle, this is called what? Hypotenuse. This is called hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. And here I am considering this C is angle theta. This angle is I am considering as theta. And here I am considering this as phi. This as phi. See here, this is theta. And if I am considering this is theta, theta is the angle, then this is adjacent side to theta. And this is what? Opposite side to theta. If I am considering this phi is an angle, then this is the adjacent side to phi. And this is what? Opposite side to phi. This is what now? This is the opposite side and this is what? Adjacent side. We call it as adjacent side. Adjacent side and opposite side. Now coming to the trigonometric ratios, here first ratio is here sine. First ratio is sine. S-I-N-E. Sine. And I am considering theta here. That is here C. Actually this side is what? C. That is sine C. That is in C place the angle is what? I am measuring this as theta. That is sine theta. This is full form of sine theta. In shortly, how you write this sine? Sine means S-I-N-E. In short, we write it as what? S-I-N. S-I-N. Sine theta. This is the short form. Now, sine theta is equals to what here? See once here. Sine theta means opposite side to theta. Opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. And see here, hypotenuse is same. If I am considering theta is the angle, then this is the opposite side and this is the adjacent side, and hypotenuse is same. If I am considering phi is an angle, then here This is the adjacent side and this is the opposite side, but hypotenuse is same. Here in the same way, sin theta is equals to what here? Opposite side to, here angle is what? Theta. That is opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. Opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. That is opposite side to theta means this is what? AB. This is AB by hypotenuse is what here? AC. Hypotenuse is AC. Next. Second one is here. Cosine. Cosine C. That is in C place angle is what? Theta. In short form of cosine is what? Cos. Short form of cosine is COS cos theta. Now it is equals to what here? Cos theta means here adjacent side to theta. Adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. Adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. That is, it is equals to what? Adjacent side to theta is what here? BC by AC. BC by AC. Next one is tangent. Next trigonometric ratio is tangent C. That is tangent in C place, that is tangent theta. That is short form of tangent is equals to what? TAN, tan theta. Short form of tangent is tan theta. It is equals to what here? This is what? Tan theta means here opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. Opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. Opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. That is opposite side is AB and adjacent side is what? BC. Adjacent side is BC. This is AB by BC. These are the three trigonometric ratios, and we are having more three trigonometric ratios, that is 6 trigonometric ratios totally, and remaining 3 are the multiplicative inverses of these 3, that is multiplicative inverse of sine, multiplicative inverse of cos and multiplicative inverse of tan theta. Let us discuss that also. That is fourth one. Cosecant C is equals to cosecant theta equals to short form of cosecant theta is cosec theta. Short form of cosecant theta is cosec theta. This is what here? Multiplicative inverse of sin theta. Multiplicative inverse of sin theta. That is directly cosec theta means what here? Multiplicative inverse means the reciprocal. Reciprocal means it is what? AC by AB, or hypotenuse by opposite side to theta. Hypotenuse by opposite side to theta. That is hypotenuse is what here? AC by AB. AC by AB. Next one is secant C. Secant C. That is here in C place it is what? Theta. Secant theta is equals to what? Its short form of secant is what here? Sec. Sec theta. Sec theta is equals to what here? This is the reciprocal of what? Cosine. Reciprocal of cosine. That is simply you can written as secant theta means here 1 by cos. And here cosecant theta means what? 1 by sine. In the same way here secant theta means here cos theta is adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. Here secant theta is equals to what here? Hypotenuse by adjacent side to theta. Adjacent side to theta. That is it is equals to what? AC by BC. This is the fifth ratio. And next last ratio, that is sixth one, that is cotangent. Cotangent C. That is it is equals to what? Cotangent theta. Cotangent theta. That is it is equals to what? Short form of cotangent is cot theta. This is the reciprocal of what? Tangent. Reciprocal of tangent means it is equals to what? Adjacent side to theta by opposite side to theta. Adjacent side to theta by opposite side to theta. Opposite side to theta. That is BC by AB. BC by AB. See here, sin theta means opposite side by hypotenuse, and cos theta means what? Adjacent side by hypotenuse, and tan theta means what here? Opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. And these cosecant, secant and cotangent are the reciprocals of the sine, cos and tangent. That is here cosecant theta means what? Reciprocal of sine theta. Hypotenuse by opposite. And this secant is reciprocal of cos and cot is reciprocal of tan. If you know the side, if you know the angles any one side, that is AB or BC or CA, then automatically you can find the other ratio. That is here if you know the sine, if you know sine, then automatically you can, if you know the sine and cos, then automatically you can find the tan theta. In the same way here, see, if I am taking here, this is 3 and this side is 4 and this hypotenuse is 5. 3, 4, 5. This 3, 4, 5 is called what? 3, 4, 5. This is what? 3 square plus 4 square is equals to what? 9 plus 16, 25 is equals to 5 square. This is what? Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet. See here adjacent side is 3, opposite side is 4, hypotenuse is 4. Then see what about sine? Here sine theta is equals to opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. That is here see opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. That is opposite side is what here? 4 by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is what here? 5. 4 by 5. And here next one see adjacent side cos theta here. Adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. Here adjacent side is what here? 3. 3 by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is what here? 5. And next one tangent, that is tan theta. This is what? Opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. Opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. Opposite side is what here? 4 and adjacent side is 3. That is 4 by 3. 4 by 3. Here see once. Sin theta is 4 by 5 and cos theta is 3 by 5. And what we are getting? Tan theta is 4 by 3. 4 by 3. Once you observe here, tan theta is equals to, here I am writing, tan theta is equals, how you are getting this 4 by 3? This is sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta. That is sin theta is 4 by 5 by cos theta is 3 by 5. Here 5 gets cancelled, remaining is what? 4 by 3. That is, if you know the values of sin and cos, then automatically you can find out the tan theta value also. In the same way, if you know the sin theta and cos theta, then you can find cosecant theta, secant theta, tan theta and cot theta values also. Now simply here, what is cosec theta here? Say here, this is the reciprocal of sin. Then cosecant theta value is what here? Cosec theta value is what? 5 by 4. This is 4 by 5. The reciprocal of 4 by 5 is what? 5 by 4. And next one is what? Sec. That is sec theta value is what? This is 3 by 5. And its reciprocal is what? 5 by 3. And next one is what? This is cotangent theta, cot theta. This is the reciprocal of what? Tan theta. That is, this is what here? 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Or this is tan theta means what? Sin theta by cos theta. In the same way, cotangent theta, that is cot theta is equals to what? Its reciprocal, that is cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta. These are the trigonometric ratios.
If you want to continue with this channel, make sure you continue to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.